Hello guys. Hello guys. Yan, dito kami outside the Coven. Yay. Ganda. There are also like that. Balcony. Ito yung mount sa Coven outside. Tingnan niyo po to guys. Yung snow. Yan ang ganda. Grabe. Ayan. Yan yung mountain. It's just like you're in a Mount Everest. Yan. Oh, it's very cold, my dear. So, tignan mo yung ano nila, bubong. There's grass. Yeah.